Please watch this video till last moment for better understanding. Namaskar. Our today's topic is Cold War from Political Science, Class 12, Chapter 1, Contemporary World Politics. The term Cold War is used to refer an ideological war between two contemporary superpowers. This term is used tension between two superpowers, first USA and second former Union Soviet Socialist Republic USSR. Actually, after Second World War, many situations changed. USA defeated Japan in 1945 after dropping two nuclear bombs in Japan. First bomb on 6th August 1945 in Hiroshima and second nuclear bomb on 8th August 1945 on Nagasaki. Due to this, Japan was badly defeated by USA in Second World War. USSR defeated Germany. Russian force, Red Army, badly defeated German force in Second World War. At last, Second World War came to an end. The Second World War gave rise to superpower in world. First, led by USA, Western Allies, and second was led by former USSR. Basically, Cold War was tension between two superpowers, as both superpowers wanted to expand their ideology. Now, what was that ideology? USA supported capitalist economy. In USA, there was capitalist economy. In capitalist economy, means of production is owned by private. But USSR supported socialist economy. In socialist economy, means of production is controlled by society or government. Profit is only for public. Both superpowers wanted to expand their ideology, and this tension created, or this tension is referred as Cold War. In Cold War, generally no weapons are used. This war is not done with the help of any missile, bomb or rocket. The term Cold War is basically ideological war. But parties were involved in making WMD, weapons of mass destruction. As we know that one nuclear bomb can destroy whole city or big region. Both superpowers, either USA or USSR, can destroy whole world many times. This is why both never wanted full-scale war. But tension always created problems for other countries also. Cold War makes the chances of Third World War maximum. Now, Cuban Missile Crisis was also a part of this phenomena. As we discussed earlier, former USSR under leader Khrushchev decided to establish military base, nuclear base in Cuba, and leaders of USA, John F. Kennedy, opposed it. There were a chance of Third World War at that time, but due to world pressure and fear of nuclear war, Russia also decided to withdraw its military base from Cuba. Now, we will discuss some more facts about Cold War. Western Alliance led by USA founded NATO in 1949 against Socialist Alliance led by former USSR. In this map, you can see this is USA, this is Atlantic Ocean. USA founded NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization against former USSR. This is present Russia, which was part of former USSR. Members of NATO were USA, Canada, England, Norway, Australia, etc. The Western Alliance also founded SEATO, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, and CENTO, Central Treaty Organization against former USSR and its alliance. Now, I will tell you about the activity done by Eastern Alliance. The Eastern Alliance, led by former USSR, founded Warsaw Pact in 1955 against Western Alliance. In map, you can see this is Russia, which was part of former USSR, and members of Warsaw Pact were basically countries of Eastern Europe. Eastern Europe such as Poland, Hungary, Romania, etc. Warsaw is capital of Poland. Now this green color country is Poland. Its capital is Warsaw. Serious tension between these two superpowers could also be seen in Korean War 1950-53, Congo War 1958-1962, Vietnam War of Independence, and Afghanistan. There were serious tension, and sometimes it seems closeness of Third World War. Now, many countries did not want to join any one of them. Many countries want to be independent from both of the alliance. Leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru from India, Marshal Tito from Yugoslavia, Colonel Nasir from Egypt, Sukarno from Indonesia played an important role in forming NAM, Non-Aligned Movement. Basically, such leaders wanted to reduce conflict among two superpowers or their alliance. They wanted to reduce tension between USA and former USSR. The countries like India, Yugoslavia, former Yugoslavia, Indonesia, Egypt wanted cooperation from both of the alliance in their development. They wanted help from both parties, both alliance. This is why they never joined any one of alliance, either Western Alliance or Eastern Alliance. NAM also played an important role to reduce the chance of Third World War. इस सब्सक्राइब बटन को टच करके सब्सक्राइब